Students, today's topic is light. It is the 16th topic of our book. The topic we have discussed yesterday, and today we shall do the exercise. In the exercise, we have some questions. So, we will do the questions one by one. The question number first is this: suppose you are in a dark room. Can you see objects in the room? इसका कहने का मतलब है कि अगर आप किसी अंधेरे वाले कमरे में हो तो आप वहाँ चीज़ों को देख सकते हो, या फिर कैन यू सी ऑब्जेक्ट्स आउटसाइड द रूम, या फिर कमरे से बाहर की जो चीज़ें हैं उनको आप देख सकते हो। तो इसको एक्सप्लेन करो, वजाहत करो इसकी। तो इसकी वजाहत हम ऐसे करेंगे कि वी कैन सी एनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स when light reflected by that objects reaches to our eyes। तो सबसे बड़ी इसकी ये चीज़ है, हम कोई चीज़ भी जब देखते हैं तो जब तक हमारी लाइट हमारी आँखों में रिफ्लेक्ट होके नहीं जाएगी तो उस चीज़ से तब तक वो चीज़ हम नहीं देख सकते हैं। तो जब अंधेरा होगा तो रिफ्लेक्शन वहाँ होगी नहीं, तो हम उस चीज़ को नहीं देख सकते हैं। हाँ, जब उजाला होगा वहाँ रिफ्लेक्शन होगी, तो रिफ्लेक्शन की वजह से हम उस चीज़ को देख सकते हैं। तो इसी तरह हम ये कहते हैं कि we can see the objects when the light reflected by the objects reaches to our eyes. But in the dark room, no light is reflected by the objects, hence we are not able to see the objects in the dark room. But if there is light outside the room, we can see the objects lying outside there. ठीक है। तो इसका आगे वाला जो क्वेश्चन है वो क्वेश्चन है differentiate between regular and the diffused reflection. Does diffused reflection means the failure of the laws of reflection? So, we can differentiate between the regular reflection and the diffused reflection. In the regular reflection, number one, it takes place from a smooth place, whereas in the diffused reflection it takes place from a rough surface. Number two, reflected rays move in a particular direction. In the diffused reflection, reflected rays scattered in random directions. Number three, example reflection by the plane mirror, a reflection by the road surface. तो ये जो नीचे दो फिगर्स दिए गए हैं, तो एक जो है वो है रेज रिफ्लेक्टेड फ्रॉम द रेगुलर सरफेस, और दूसरा जो है वो है रेज रिफ्लेक्टेड फ्रॉम द इरेगुलर सरफेस। तो इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि इसकी डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है, रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन की और डिफ्यूज्ड रिफ्लेक्शन की। तो इसी तरह से हमारा जो तीसरा क्वेश्चन है वो क्या है, मेंशन अगेंस्ट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वेदर रेगुलर और डिफ्यूज्ड रिफ्लेक्शन will take place when a beam of light strikes. Justify your answer in the each case. A. Polished wooden table. B. Chalk powder. C. Cardboard surface. D. Marble flower with water spread over it. E. Mirror. F. Piece of paper. So now we discuss it one by one. Number A. A polished wooden table is an example of smooth surface. So when a beam of light reflects from it, a regular reflection will take place. Number B. Chalk powder has a regular surface, so when a beam of light reflects from it, a diffused reflection will take place. Number C. A cardboard has a regular surface, so when a beam of light reflects from it, a diffused reflection will take place. D part. A marble flower with water spread over it provides a smooth surface, so when a beam of light reflects from it, a regular reflection will take place. Part E. A mirror has a smooth surface, so when a beam of light reflects from it, a regular reflection will take place. F part. A piece of paper may appear smooth, but it has many mirror irregularities, so when a beam of light reflects from it, a diffuser reflection will take place. So we have discussed all A to F parts showing the smooth reflection, diffused reflection, and the irregular reflection. So question number 4, state the laws of reflection. The laws of reflection are as: number 1, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Number 2, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the surface at the point of incidence lies in the same place. So we have done the 4 questions. The other questions we shall do tomorrow. It is enough for today. Thank you.